Okay, everyone, this is something else that I took out of the box that I included in my crochet collection because I didn't want to misplace it. This is a crochet hook by Brian Tyler Nelson. Oh my goodness. This is handcrafted by him, and I'm hoping I'm going to say this correctly. Chocolate wood with tulip wood. And I am going to open this up right now and show you the beauty in this crochet hook. Another reason why I definitely wanted to get the box. Look at the beauty and quality of this work. This is a J hook, and you all can see that right there. Oh, this is gorgeous. So I had to pop this into my video because I forgot to show it. I was like, oh no, right before my upload. So I just thank God that I remembered it. Oh, it's so pretty.